well, man. You know what I'm saying? I already know. Back with another video. You know what I'm saying? We on the way to class right now. You know what I'm saying? About to get some hood time, man. You feel me? About to get some footage in for y'all boys and ladies if they got any. You know what I'm saying? I doubt it, yeah. But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? We back in full effect with this shit. Yeah. New year. You know what I'm saying? First video of the new year. You know what I'm saying? We gonna show y'all something, man. Yesterday was my first day back to class, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't record or do no video or no shit like that, cause you know what I'm saying? I already knew we was about to be doing shit, you feel me? It was just syllabus, gave us a syllabus, you know what I'm saying? Shit that we was gonna need, shit like that. Most of that shit I already had from last semester, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'ma holler at y'all once we get on the campus and shit. But I'm just letting y'all know, yeah, it'll be the well, man. You know what I'm saying? If y'all enjoy these vlogs and shit like this, you know what I'm saying? Always, you know what I'm saying? Feel free to like, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment, you hear me? You feel me? Let your boy know you fucking with it, you know what I'm saying? My fault, nigga had pull out in front of me and shit on some dickhead shit. But yeah, man. Let a nigga know what's up, you know what I'm saying? We going to this campus, you know what I'm saying? Get that hood time in, yeah. See y'all in a minute, man. Yeah, man, we back with it. Damn near almost to the campus. We up the street, running into a whole bunch of damn traffic and shit, man. About to make a nigga late and jet. But now we all good, man. Yeah, man, I hope everybody that had a great Christmas, had a great New Year's, you feel me? New Year's Eve, all that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? We about to getting back to the grind, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show y'all the campus and shit. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all how live and shit it is out here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. We got the red light and shit. About 2-3 lights up from the school. But yeah, man, I gotta put my phone down, you know what I'm saying? Got the people behind me and shit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We over here in Georgia and shit. They got their hands-free law and shit. Can't have no phone in your hand and nothing. But I got my headphone on, you know what I'm saying? So we all good with it. But yeah, man. We about to show y'all some live action footage of how we get down, you know what I'm saying? This is my first day back, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna be rusty, you know what I'm saying? My first day back on with a rod in my hand, yeah. No homo, yeah. But yeah, man, I would've called here. What a ride. But yeah, man, I ain't about to let y'all think yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. We're making the right now to the campus. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I gotta turn my phone around to figure out the campus and shit. I don't think I can turn my damn phone around while I'm recording and shit. Hold up. Nah, I can't do that shit. I had to stop the video. Yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all when I step out and shit though, yeah, man. Pulling up to the building and shit, you feel me? Yeah, man. Day in the life, man. Of a well student. It's another day out here. Just the main campus area, so it's a whole lot of damn people here at this fucking, you know what I'm saying? That's why I say it's a whole bunch of females, everything out this fucking, man. You name it. Y'all see it, man. I'm gonna turn my phone around and shit, so I don't feel like, yeah, y'all see it, man. I don't feel like now turning my camera around and shit, you feel me? Yeah. We got a long, nice little walk, you know what I'm saying, before we get to our building and shit. But, ain't no worries. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Got some pretty cool instructors and shit this semester. Said I had some pretty cool instructors last semester and shit too, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man. We out here. You hear me? Out here, man. About to get busy. A little cold out there, fucking, you know what I'm saying? But we about to warm up. About to warm up for sure.
Your food, pick up your slack chippings from when you're running the feed. Make sure you pick up all of your little rod bits, whether they be small or large. Put any of the larger pieces in the blue rod bin, and the smaller pieces are going to go into the scrap bin over by the plastic table. So you are definitely going to need a helmet for this semester. Every class you're going to have at night this semester, you will need that helmet. You will also need a welding jacket or some kind of jacket to protect you, welding gloves. All of this is in the bag. This is all the stuff that you take on the RV. You got to buy it with the base class. So you know the basics of flat sit, right? So the basics of flat sit and the basics of this are very like they are the same. All the basics are the same. No matter what you do. So just follow those same rules. Good shit. I'm gonna turn on the average unless you use one of these shits. It's easy to control. After you do this shit for a long time, that shit for the best.
Oh shit, hold on. I'm gonna hook you on that. You breathing, right? That was great. I do put it in my thing and I spin the rod a little bit. Oh, the stability? Yeah. Well, like you say, it starts shaking when you do it so small. It helps you get a little bit more control of that.
chair like facing this way. Right here. You can see that booth flip.
Really, they're supposed to grind it down, not they tack it up. So that shit just a whole bunch of niggas leaving like that powered up.
No, I'm talking about the actual piece.
Which means?
It looks like it's already been done before.
Yeah, this is my shit from last semester.
Oh.
This is a piece of metal I had in my bag.
Oh, okay, maybe this is
Shit, yeah, man. Well back.
Yeah. That's the easy, bro.
Hey, so everything on the home run board, that's
Work, basic question, ain't no eyes. Google finance.
Oh, shit. Anyway.
Shit, bro. Nothing up here, I can't do, brother. Promise, man.
Look, it's been a minute since I've been back to school, man.
Yeah. I've been admitting my damn self, man. I ain't been to school since a couple years, man. You know what, man?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
How to start
Yeah, what's up? Doing
How to tap it and start the arm. Art site says we start loading the site. I think you said though.
Oh. I get it, man. That's supposed to keep it closed.
He's wrong. I think that posting. Try to run it for 1 day for you. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be doing. We're on that with the rod. Yeah, no. If possible, would you guys take a pause for a minute, and I'm going to go over some settings and stuff in the classroom real quick, just to make sure that you got everything understood and ready to go for running your weapons. All right, quick, no problem.
Hey, next time, let's all agree.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Go ahead and put it down and come to the class real quick. I'm going to go over settings and stuff, make sure that you guys got everything for
I'm gonna
Leave it tacked up. I ain't even gonna break it down. Teacher. All right, you see it, huh? You see it, huh, fam? Yeah, that was all the footage I was able to get, man. If y'all like these vlogs and these video styles like this, man, go ahead and let me know in the comments. But yeah, it'll be the web, man. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Yeah.